Again, after so many years, feels fantastic. Before I lost the weight, well-meaning friends, my kids, my sisters, they would all give me suggestions about food, diets, exercise programs. I mean, they all had good intentions, but it was just coming across as criticism. Then all that negativity was breaking me down, and I just continued to get fatter.
I used to weigh myself multiple times a day and would feel ashamed when I had gained weight. It got so bad when I had to go to the doctor in person, as my scale at home was no longer capable of weighing me. But when the whole reason for why some of us cannot shift the weight was explained to me in the presentation, I was relieved.
I was constantly worried about my heart and my blood sugar levels. I was a big man, and I found it physically painful to walk or stand for just a few minutes. I saw Exapure and immediately knew it was the right choice for me to change my life. And boy, did it happen. I lost over 51 pounds and 6 notches off my belt. Well, for me, just being able to move without pain is incredible.
Exapure has given me my life back, a feeling of control. And for once, people are asking me how I lost the weight.
I'm so glad I gave it a go. Stepping on the scales is so enjoyable now. I look forward to it each morning.
I've tried more than I can count on all my fingers and my toes. I thought I had seen it all, but these tropical plants are just on another level.
I think my situation got out of hand when I went to my fridge one night and I saw 4 different takeout boxes from 4 different places. At that point, I realized our love for takeout had certainly gotten out of control. Something had to change. So I gave the trial a go and smashed a 6-pound weight loss in my first week. All my junk food cravings went away just like that.
There's no doubt that being overweight was hard for me, both physically and emotionally. But with this tropical solution, I was safely and quickly out of my dark hole.
My lowest point is when my son stopped inviting me to ball games because he was embarrassed of me and my weight. So obviously, when I saw this, I knew I couldn't miss out.
I finally lost my ugly double chin and my flabby arms. I can live my life how I want now, no limitations. It's brilliant.
This is an easy, natural choice for weight loss without compromising on what I eat or my lifestyle, and I am so glad I went for it.
Life now is incredible. My belly no longer hangs over my belt. I can mow the lawn painlessly. Walk the dog twice a day, no problems. And I still have the energy to throw the ball with my boy. What more could you want?